Hey, first grade friends, welcome back. It's Tuesday, October the 13th. This is Miss Dobbins. Today is actually my brother's birthday, so everybody say happy birthday. All right, so we're going to continue with addition, and yesterday we worked on addition and counting on with pictures. Today we're going to move on to addition, counting on with my fingers. We've already worked on this a little bit in class, but we've only done addition up to 10. And now we're going to expand our brains and we're going to do addition up to 20. So we are still on standard OA6. It's Tuesday, October the 13th. And this is our I can statement. Give me your big Superman pose, deep breath, and repeat after me. I can show addition by counting on with my fingers. So this is showing that we can count on to add with our fingers. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first problem I see is 9 plus 6. So when we see a problem, we don't have pictures, we don't have a drawing, the first thing I want to do is look for the bigger number. What is the bigger number, boys and girls, 9 or 6? If you said 9 is larger, you are correct. So I'm going to circle that larger number. That's going to tell me what number I put in my head. So go ahead and take that 9 off the screen, put it in your head, and then look for the next number. This number is what we're going to add on. We have 9 in our head, but now I need to hold up 6 fingers. So put 9 in your head and hold up 6 fingers. Now starting at 9, I'm going to count on with those 6 fingers. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And as you're counting on, you're putting those fingers back down so that when you have no fingers up, that tells you your answer. So 9, hold up 6 fingers, and as I count those 6, I have to put my fingers down. So let's try that again. 9, put down a finger, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How do I write a 15, boys and girls? A 1 and a 5. Very good job. Let's keep on going. All right, now our equation says 6 plus 12 equals what? We have to find it out. So remember, the first step is to find the largest number. Which number is the largest here, 6 or 12? 12 it is. If you said that, kiss your brain. Mwah. Good job. Then we circle that largest number. So I'm going to circle that 12 and go ahead and put it in my head. Then I'm adding on 6. So hold up 6 fingers again. And remember, as I count the on with those fingers, I put those fingers away so that when I have no fingers left standing, that's my answer. So put 12 in your head, hold up 6 fingers, and let's count on. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Did you get that, boys and girls? Good job. How do I write an 18? A 1 and an 8. Very good job. All right, next one. Ooh, this is a big one. 13 plus 5 equals, remember, first step, circle the largest number. Take your finger and circle on your computer screen the largest number. If you circled this 13, give yourself a pat on the back. 13 is definitely larger than 5. So then we're going to add on 5. So this 13 goes right in my head, and I'm going to hold up 5 fingers. As I count my 5 fingers, I put them down. So starting with 13 in my head, count on 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Did you get 18? I hope you did. How do I write that? A 1 and an 8 again. Good job. Let's go to our next one. Ooh, 3 plus 17. Take a minute, take your finger, circle the larger number. 17 is definitely larger than 3. And remember, boys and girls, the largest number is not always first. So make sure you're looking at both numbers to see which one is the largest. So put 17 in your head, 17, and we're counting on 3. So hold up 3 fingers. Put them down as we count. Starting at 17, we'll go 18, 18, 19, 20. How do I write 20? It is a 2 and a 0 because it's 2 groups of 10. Next problem. All right, we have 13 plus 5. Take your finger to your screen and circle that largest number. I hope you circled 13. Now we're adding on 5, so go ahead and put your 5 fingers up and count on with me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 again. And I know that I write that as a 1 and an 8. Very good job. All right. Read this equation with me. 11 plus 4 equals, let's find that answer. Circle the biggest number on your screen. 11 is definitely larger than 4, so we're counting on that 4. We need to hold up our 4 fingers, starting with 11 in our head. 11, put down your fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 1 and a 5. Good job. All right. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for joining for our math lesson today. Make sure you follow the steps on your slide for today's date to do your assignments. See you tomorrow.